Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have an exciting product to review, the LiveGo Funny Couch Cover Magic Sofa Cover Garden Cotton.
Protective couch cover, plaid cream colored large plaid square pet mat bed couch cover tatami mat in cream blue. This product is not just any ordinary sofa cover, it's the best Halloween sofa cover available in the market. Are you tired of your pets scratching and ruining your couch? Well, worry no more because the LiveGo Funny Couch Cover is here to save the day. This protective sofa cover is designed to safeguard your couch from pet scratches and wear. With its thickened and scratch-resistant fabric, your couch will stay in great condition. The funny fuzzy couch cover features a herringbone texture, adding a touch of sophistication to your furniture. Crafted from high-quality chenille fabric, it provides both style and comfort for your home. The non-slip backing ensures that the cover securely attaches to your sofa, preventing sliding or movement. The versatile application allows you to use it as a sofa protector, window or bedside cushion, or even as a rug. Instead of replacing your furniture, you can easily refresh your space affordably with this sofa cover.
Plus, it's easy to clean with machine washing available.
In conclusion, the LiveGo Funny Couch Cover Magic Sofa Cover is the perfect solution for protecting your couch from pet scratches while adding style and comfort to your home.
Don't miss out on the best Halloween sofa cover available in the market. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and be sure to check out this amazing product on Amazon.